I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to enable or disable auto factory reset or automatic factory reset when someone tries to put in your password incorrectly more than 20 times. So this could be useful in case your watch is stolen or lost and someone is trying to guess the password of your watch multiple times. If it gets to 20 attempts, then your watch will automatically factory reset so that your data is not compromised. So to enable or disable, go to settings. So that takes you to the main settings page. On this main settings page, come here to security and privacy, tap on that, and then scroll down to auto factory reset. That's off by default. If you want to, you can enable. And you can see it says here, after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your watch, it will be reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. So that's how you can enable or disable that option. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.